Picture graph. A picture graph uses small pictures or symbols to show and compare information. Here is an example of a picture graph. And this picture graph has a title, which is How We Get to School. This is the way how students get to school: walk, bike, bus, car. Then we have the key. The key tells us what the symbols stand for. Each smiley face is equal to 10 students. How many students go to school walking? 10, 20, 30. How many go by bike? 10, 20, 30, 40. How many go by bus? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. How many go by car? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. This picture graph is giving us information how students go to school. How do they go to school? They go in 4 ways: walking, biking, going by bus, and going by car. And on this side is telling us how many students go to school walking, how many goes to school by using a bike, and how many go by bus, and how many goes in car. In the next slide, we are going to be identifying the different part of a picture graph. Part of a picture graph: title and key. What is the title of the picture graph? What is it for? The title says what the picture graph is about, and the key tells us what each picture or symbol stands for. This symbol used in this picture graph is a smiley face, and that smiley face stands for 10 students, or it means that every smiley face is equal to 10 students. So here we have 1, 2, 3 smiley faces. That will be 3 times 10, which is 30. 4 smiley faces be 4 times 10 is going to be 40. We got a bus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 8 is equal to 8 times 10. 8 por 10, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 smiley faces times 10 is 60. We have our next assignment, which is a picture graph after all as well. Number of cousins and students. If there are 2 cousins, there are 4 students. There are 6 cousins, are 15 students. 13 cousins are 14 students, and 16 cousins are 21 students. How many students have 6 cousins? How many students have 6 cousins? We have here 15 students have 6 cousins. That will be our answer for this. Will be A, B, C, or D. Our answer is going to be A as well, because 15 students have 6 cousins. So the number of students and the number of cousins. Again, 4 students have 2 cousins, 15 students have 6 cousins, 14 students have 13 cousins, and 21 students have 16 cousins. We go back to our questions. How many students have 6 cousins? We got 6 cousins over here, so that 15 students. So 15 goes with 6, so our response to this is going to be 15. 4 pies, so you have to read how many pies were baked. We have here 4, so we drag the yellow here, or I can drag any other color if I want to. I'll drag it, and then it says 4. I can just use to the side as I said before, and then 4. This is how you're going to be doing that. 4 pies. Say 3 cookies. I can use the green. Cookies are here, and then I can stretch here. So then I have 4 cookies. 3 cookies. I can make adjustment to the side, and it'll be completed. Then for you, I have 9 pies. I can drag yellow here, and also adjust it according to my need and stretch it all the way up. This is the way how you are going to be completing or answering this activity. Okay, for the sake of the activity, I'm gonna move it all the way back, and then when you see this on your worksheet or in your assignment, make sure to do the same thing I did. Then we have here one more activity, how to read this picture graph as well. That'll be a bar graph. X late per day. This is the title of this bar graph, and here is, there's no any key, we just have to read this. How many eggs were laid on Tuesday? I say Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday says 12. I'm gonna do just double click, I move that, and type 12, and I keep reading how many eggs were laid on Monday. Have to read Monday, 96. I double click and type 96, and this is the way how are you going to be completing this activity. So I'm going to release, I'm gonna take this back to what it was so you can do it on your own. Thank you. This is one of the activities that you will be requested to complete online or during class. Maria sorted the items she saw for sale at the farm stand into groups. This bar graph shows how many of each type she saw. You can see fruits, vegetables, herbs, and flowers. Which statement is true? There are more herbs for sale than any other type of item. We got herbs are here and fruits are over here. We can see this statement is not true because there are more fruits. There are the same number of vegetables for sale as there are flowers. Flowers we have 4, and vegetables are 4. The same is true as well. They are the same. There are fewer fruits for sale than any other type of item. That's not true. There are more fruits. They are the same number of herbs for sale as they are vegetables. That's not true. The only statement that is true is vegetables and flowers are the same. So our response to this would be B.